Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to open disk management in Windows 11. So let's get started. So firstly, method 1, right click on the start menu. Menu will appear. Click on disk management. That's it. Disk management will open instantly. Method 2, using run command, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Here, run dialog box will appear. Now type disk mgmt.msc. Now press enter. Here you will see disk management will instantly open. Method 3, using computer management. For this, again go to start menu, right click on it. Here you will see computer management, click on it. In the left panel, select disk management under storage. This will open the same disk management tool. And that's it. So that's how you can easily open disk management in Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.